Are you afraid of the camera? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to boost your confidence when recording video. Hey guys, Adam here from Hustle Savvy, helping you grow your audience online and build a business around your skills and passion. If you're starting out, it can be very intimidating to record yourself on camera. For me personally, I was so used to presenting in front of a huge crowd and also in front of board members and CEOs. But when I recorded my first video, I just froze. I basically didn't know what to say in front of this inanimated object. And I also was very judgmental about myself. I wasn't confident. I was wondering, I'm maybe not good enough to say what I needed to say. And so these are all the thoughts that run through my mind as well in the early days of recording video. So what I find is a great way to deal with all of this anxiety and insecurity is to get into the right mood. So here are 5 things that you can do before recording your video. Okay, so one of the things that you can do to calm down and get in the mood is to listen to some music. So listen to something that can either calm you down or get you pumped up. Personally for me, I listen to some game soundtracks or movie soundtracks. Well, obviously, switch it off during recording. Next is to dress for success. You gotta wear something that makes you feel confident and it reflects your personality as well. So for me, I like to wear t-shirts with statements and it has memes on it. For you, it could be a suit or your favorite sports team jersey or your favorite dress. You do you. So you want to dress for success. Number 3, you want to groom for Zoom. So it may not just be an actual video recording. It could be that you are on a call with a client, or maybe it's a job interview. You want to look confident and prepared. So combing your hair, putting on some makeup. Not only will these things make you more presentable, but it can also tell your brain to tell you, I've got this. Next, you can drink your favorite beverage. Liquid courage doesn't have to be alcoholic drinks. Find a drink that can either calm you down or give you a boost of energy. For me, I prefer my cup of coffee with some milk. Pretending to drink, there's nothing in there. So, question of the day, what's your favorite beverage? Let me know in the comments section below. And at number 5, just have a laugh. Those are fake laughs, but watch some comedy or maybe some silly cat videos. Or you could watch your own bloopers. But when I first, for me, I prefer my cup of coffee with some milk. For me, I prefer my cup of coffee. Coffee what? Sometimes a good laugh is all that you need. Just have fun. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. It'll help my channel out. And do consider subscribing and leave that bell notification on so you won't miss any of my future videos. So check out my other video right here if you want to learn about how to record videos using your smartphone. And then this one right here if you want to learn about how you can create a content calendar using Trello. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you next time.